Looks like we have our first train during COVID. It's intermodal. It looks like intermodal. Yep, that's it. 100%. I'm going to step back a little bit. Yeah, so this is the first train I've seen during quarantine. So let's see what it is. We already know it's an intermodal. That's intermodal. That's intermodal, 100%. Oh, it's coming fast. Back up. I'm going to wave to him. Oh, shoot, he's fast. I told you it was intermodal. Let's see if there's a DPU on it. There's a DPU on this train. All right, so we have an engine on it. There is a DPU on this train. That's what I see. I want to see if you guys can see it. You see those blue things right there? That means there's a DPU. There's a